You deleted your Facebook account, but now you want it back. Good news, if it's been less than 30 days since you started the deletion process, you can still recover it. Today, I'll show you the exact steps in the Facebook app. Let's see if we can bring it back. Step 1. Try logging in, the only real way to reactivate. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone or download it from Play Store if deleted. On the login screen, enter the email or phone number plus password you used to for the deleted account. Tap Login. If it's still within the 30-day grace period, Facebook will recognize the account. You will see a message like your account is scheduled for deletion or cancel deletion. Tap Cancel Deletion or Reactivate Account or Keep My Account, something like that, and confirm. Your profile, photos, friends, post, and messenger should come back almost immediately. May take a few minutes to fully restore. That's it, your account is reactivated. Step 2. If you forgot password or no prompt appears, no cancel option or can't log in, then tap Forgot Password on the login screen. Follow the steps to reset via email or phone code, then try logging in again. Still nothing. It probably means the 30 days are over. Account is permanently deleted, or it was a full permanent deletion without grace period. It's rare actually. In that case, unfortunately, recovery is not possible. You would have to create a brand new account. And that's how to reactivate a recently deleted Facebook account while you still care. If this brought your profile back to life, smash that like button and subscribe for more fixes.